kung bakit merong plot to remove him or to transfer him, mga kabatas natin, para mapigilan siya doon sa investigasyon na nangyayari. The very reason also why Attorney Claire Castro said this.
Power over the PNP sa pag-iimbestiga in any other form na bilang special advisor at hindi po lead investigator or in any other form na pag-iimbestiga. Hindi po siya naitalaga sa pag-iimbestiga at hindi po at wala po siyang power over the PNP and CIDG dahil ito po ay under sa DILG. At opo.
Makes sense, right? Even Auntie Claire agrees. Now tell me, hindi totoo yung sinasabi ko. Well, aside from my relationship, sabi ko nga, kahit magalit si Mayor Magalong sa akin, aside from my relationship sa kanya, di ba? Napaka-statesman kasi nung tao eh. And I applaud him for that. Pero maraming nuances na kailangan yung malaman. At si Attorney Claire Castro mismo nagsabi na iba sa inyo. Bakit hindi ka na pwedeng mag-imbestiga bigla? Bakit hindi ka na pwedeng mag-imbestiga bigla when in the first place,
Following the trail of public funds and determining where leakages and irregularities may have occurred. Mayor Benji Magalong, a special advisor and who will act as investigator for the ICI.
Who will act as an investigator for the ICI. Tapos, biglang,
sa pag-iimbestiga, form na pag-iimbestiga. Hindi po siya naitalaga sa pag-iimbestiga at hindi po at wala po siyang power over the PNP and CIDG dahil ito po ay
because it's actually working now. Yung walang kwenta na binuo nila, walang staff, walang pondo, hiningi lang ng mga tao, kunwari independent. Mayor Magalong made it work. You see him there. Nagulat sila. O bakit nandyan yung taong yan? Bakit actually sumasama, nag-iimbestiga? Bakit may mga leads na siya ngayon? Sino nag-feed sa kanya ng mga ganyan? Eh yung mga pulis, yung mga CIDG, alam nila yung mga yan. They didn't think it will work. They put him in a crippled position and he made it work. Kaya sinasabi niya, wala siyang tao, hindi siya, PNP, CIDG, wala siyang authority or power over them. He is not exercising authority or power over the CIDG and the PNP. The CIDG and the PNP, because they were mandated to actually help the executive departments, CIDG and PNP is executive. They were mandated to help. And they actually volunteered to help. Mayor Magalong was not exercising power over them. They were a team. They were cooperating because that was how it's supposed to be. They didn't think it will work, but it worked. Mayor Magalong made it work because he was a leader or he is a leader. Nakipag-cooperate sila. Ngayon, ayaw ng Malacanang yun.